I made $800 in one day using this free Craigslist tactic that no one is talking about. All you need is a finger to scroll. Let me show you exactly how I did it. And watch till the end because I'm going to show you how to take it to the next level. As I was scrolling, I found this vintage Vetter windjammer. It's basically a windjammer for motorcycles. Now, the cool thing about this is that not only is it completely free, but it's in excellent condition. I like to search it up on Google first, anything that I find, just so I could kind of get an idea of how much it could be worth. Once I see the most that it could be worth or how much it could be selling for, I then go to eBay. Then when I go to eBay, I paste in the title, but what I do first that is very, very important is that I go to advanced and I search for only sold items. You want to search for sold items so you could kind of get a better idea if anybody's actually buying this. Then I click search, and here's some that actually just got sold very recently. One for $130, another one for $150, another one for $300, and another one for $275. So now I know that this thing sells and it's actually worth a couple $100 up to even $300. So next, what I would do is I would post it on either OfferUp, Mercari. Sometimes I could even post it on Craigslist Sell Section, Facebook Marketplace, and eBay. I listed it for $150. I copied the title and I copied the description and I listed for sale. This is a very good tactic to do even before you pick up the item, just to see if people would actually buy it around you. But what I have noticed and what I have learned is that out of all the things that I have posted up on Facebook, if it didn't get sold quick, I usually get people that are willing to buy it weeks later. And what I have kind of realized is somebody could easily just get a storage, pay a couple $100 a month or whatever, and just every time they come across great things on Craigslist Facebook Free Section, just store it in the storage, keep it there, pay that $200 a month. And if you sell at least one thing a month, you would be able to pay for the storage itself. But obviously you'd be able to make a lot more money back if you get that storage. That could be a very smart thing to actually do. Next, we have pallets. If you type in pallets on free stuff on Craigslist, you will come across a whole bunch of different pallets. Sometimes you will come across pallets, sometimes you won't. Currently, it looks like there's a lot of pallets in my area. Now, there could be a slight catch to this because you can make a lot of money from pallets. Some of these listings could be from people actually asking for pallets. Some of these could actually just be giving away pallets. Now, if you find somebody that's giving away pallets, you could actually call up a warehouse or a business that actually purchases pallets. Pallets usually go for anywhere from $5 to $8 per pallet. And sometimes, depending on who you call that's purchasing the pallets, they usually want a certain size pallet, which is usually like the standard size pallets. So for an example, right here, they have 25 good condition pallets. And if you could sell all 25 pallets for $7, anywhere from 5 to 10, so let's just say $7, that's $175 in a 10-minute drive to pick it up and a 10-minute drive to a location that purchases pallets. This is actually a really cool thing that I found. It's an encyclopedia from 1965, full set, in good condition. And I searched it up. I found this on Amazon, $50, brand new. No, actually used. If you look right here, 7 used for $450, new $1,400. And as you can see here, a whole bunch got sold. One sold for $300, another one sold for $200, another one sold for $120. Before I show you how to take it to the next level, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get to it. Now let me show you how to take it to the next level. You're gonna type in car. We see this free car on Craigslist. It doesn't matter if it's working or not, because we're gonna be doing something different. Google search junk car and you will find different businesses that actually would pay you to junk a car. This website pays anywhere from $500 to $20,000 to junk a car. Now, if they're paying up to $17,000, that actually says a lot. They're probably buying and junking a lot of cars. Now check this out. This is a single garage door in good condition. And if you search garage door, a simple 8-footer is worth about $578. The one that we found was in relatively good condition that we could easily sell for a couple $100s. Now, if you can't find a buyer quick enough to buy a garage door, that's not a problem. Paid to recycle metal near me. You would actually find companies and businesses that actually pay you to recycle metal. Look at all of this scrap metal. You can even search up boat and come across free boats. This boat is in relatively good condition. If it has a nice amount of metal on it, great. If it doesn't, not a problem. You could actually type in get paid to junk a boat and you would find websites that would literally give you a quote to junk your boat that you got for completely free. Now, if we add up everything, from the windjammer for $150, the 25 wood pallets for $175, the full encyclopedia set for $300, junk the car for $500, recycle scrap metal for $500, and junk the boat for $500. All that equates to $2,125 that cost you little to nothing. And if you just junk the boat, junk the car, turn in the wood pallets, recycle the scrap metal, that's an instant $1,500 in one day. This is the Deli Commercial Refrigerator that I sold for $800 in one day.